Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making fried tofu in sauce. So I have a container of firm tofu that I wrapped in paper towels to get out some of the excess water. And then I cut it in 1-inch cubes. And then I have here some flour, and I'm just going to roll it in the flour a little bit. I've heated up some oil for deep frying, and now I'm going to put the tofu pieces in the batter. Coat it. And put it in the oil. And let it get deep brown all over. Doesn't take long to brown. Just watch your heat. You don't want it too hot so it'll burn, or you don't want it cold so it won't cook enough and brown. And this is a delicious recipe. You can serve it with anything. Now I'm making the sauce. I have a tablespoon of ginger, fresh ginger, and 2 tablespoons of green onions. Saute this a little. Now I have here a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up. And then I have here 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Now let this cook a few minutes. And in the meantime, I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water to thicken it. Mix it up and pour it in the sauce. And cook it a few minutes until it's slightly thickened. Now I pour in the fried tofu. And then mix it up with the sauce. And that's it. You see how easy and fast this was? And you can eat it for everyday dinner, or you can make it for a party or picnic or potluck. But the taste is slightly crispy, and you see the tofu is not sticking to each other because we fried it in some batter. And now I'm just going to plate it, and then we'll try it. Dish is done. Now I'm going to sprinkle it with some green onions just to give it some nice color. Doesn't it look nice? Wow, looks like it came out of a restaurant. And now the best part is to taste it. Let's see. You can see the tofu inside. It's perfect. It's not crumbly. And I can taste the soy sauce and a little sweetness. And I know that when you make this, your family will love this. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.